दोस्तों, तो मेरा नाम है अली हसनैन। आज हम इस वीडियो में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज की बात करेंगे। तो आइए देखते हैं। IBM फुल फॉर्म इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस मशीन। सर सैयद अहमद खान died in 1898. Wi-Fi full form wireless fidelity. Heads of Zakat 8. Warsak Dam is built on which river? Kabul. Baglihar Dam is on which Indian river? Chenab. Last king of Afghanistan, Muhammad Zahir Shah. PM of UK after Brexit, Theresa May. Largest coral reef, Australia. PM after Liaquat Ali Khan, Khwaja Najmuddin. Pakistan's first ambassador to US, A.H. Isfahani. Quaid-e-Azam Solar Park, Bahawalpur. Ringgit is the currency of Malaysia. Capital of Germany, Berlin. Country called Pearl of Antilles, Cuba. Abdul Qadir Jilani is buried in Baghdad. Bulle Shah is known for poetry. Tolstoy is of which country? Russia. Plato is Aristotle's teacher. Justice Javaid Iqbal is chairman of National Accountability Bureau. When International Hockey Federation was established 1924. Permanent members of Security Council 5. Total members of Security Council 15. Vitamin C is found in orange. Ring of Fire is attributed to Pacific Ocean. इसका आंसर बनेगा 45. 10 पीपल हैं एक पार्टी। इसका आंसर बनेगा 280। आप 7 को 40 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 280 आ जाएगा। Which number is multiplied? तो इसका आंसर आएगा 650। आप इसका स्केल लेना तो 422 500 आंसर बनेगा इसका। 650 को 650 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। Ctrl+K is used for to insert hyperlink. Shortcut key to align text in center. Ctrl+E से हम text को center में ले आते हैं। Which feature make Excel distinct? Perform calculations on data. OS stands for in computer operating system. Instructions that tell computer what to do. Software. Larry Page is co-founder of Google. Creator of Linux operating system, Linus Torvalds.